In Microsoft Excel, we can calculate the future returns. Enter is equal to enter function FV, press tab key. Now select the rate of interest, enter comma, select the number of periods, enter comma. Now select the PMT. PMT is payment made each period, enter comma. So PV is the present value I am entering 0, enter comma. Type we can enter either 0 or 1. 0 stands for the calculation of interest at the end of period and 1 stands for calculation of interest at the beginning of the period. I am going to enter 1, close the bracket, press enter key. Now system calculated the future returns. After 15 years, if we invest every year 1 lakh, we can get the this much of amount. Okay, it is showing the negative value. Just press F2 key. In front of FV, put the minus sign, press enter key. Now system calculated the positive value.